so that one of the things that just popped to my head and is we had a client in Ontario one time, and uh, Rob, who I do consulting with, one of the things we do when we're in an area is we'll go and like tour around the properties kind of around to just kind of get a feel for what people are doing. And this one property had the daughter was going to she basically paid her way through university running a kids camp during the summertime, and like it was nothing special. Like they had like a little like a hobby type farm, but they had a really nice setup with animals where it's like it was really easy to feed the animals. They had little gardens, and they had like a little lake that the kids could do like zip lining and like a few just really basic stuff. But this girl basically worked, I think it was like 2 months in the summertime, and she made like $60,000
Wow.
in the summertime. And like, no joke, they had people from like Japan and Europe who would like come for the week to take this kids camp. And like she was like in her third year or something, and she was already bringing in people who were like, the whole family would come from Japan, and they would like stay in the area just so like their 7 or 8 year old could be in this kids camp, and they would just bum around while they were. And it was like they had a super simple thing. It was like every day the kids they picked some, there was some like they made one meal together, like it was lunch. And so like that day they would learn about some herb and some vegetable and some animal, and then they would like cook all that together in the thing. And it was just really basic stuff. But I'm just thinking with all like the lake folks that are going past your place, like how awesome would that be? It's like, hey, get rid of your kids for the weekend. And you've got like 2-day kids camps or whatever, or long weekend specials or something. Like if that is your kind of skill set and you enjoy that kind of stuff.
I did teach food studies
Okay.
and in high school, and I also worked and taught at a summer camp all through high school and university.
Cool.
So I can do both of those things.
Yeah.